my shame, my pain, on the cover of the magazine. Your guilt served with champagne. It's like you pour my heart with gasoline. Everybody heard about it, I just died a little. So I'll be hiding right here at the bottom of the bottle. All of your excuses so confusing like a riddle. Please just say it while I hold my breath. Am I dead? Cigarettes hold her head in our bed. Am I cold? Is it snow? Tell me now why I'm the last to know. I'm scared, it's like there's no air with every step I take away from you. Old lies, fake friends, goodbyes, and it's feeling like a deja vu.